What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, man. And today I'm opening my keyboard and keycaps. Okay. Guys probably can't even hear me from my headset, so yeah. I'm just keep it on just in case. So yeah. So this is probably the keyboard and this is probably the keycap. So I'm gonna go get a knife and I'll be back. Okay, I got my knife. And it's time to open. So first we're gonna open the keyboard. So let's get into it. I've been waiting 2 weeks for this. Kinda excited. As soon as I got it, I grabbed it and jumped on the couch with it. So this is the keyboard right here. So yeah, it's nice. Actually very nice. I'm so glad. So keyboard right here. ck61. So it has RGB, of course. It's MOTOSPEED, ck61 gaming keyboard, mechanical. So it has blue switches, RGB lighting, ergonomic, USB, anything. Yeah, you can customize that. But first, let's just open this. So let's get into it. Ooh. I'm too happy to just let it open it right there. Okay, so that's the keycap puller. So, because I do get keycaps for it. So the board itself. Boom. Keycap puller. Boom. Pull out my keycaps. And manual. USB-C cable. Yeah, it's the board. Sounds pretty nice. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Pretty nice. Not bad. So this is my keyboard. So wait a second. So I do have blue switches. Hopefully, oh yeah, it's the same. All right, but they're not as good as my brother's. It's the board. I'm going to connect it to my laptop really quick. I'll be back, guys. Okay. Wait a second, Mom. I'm doing my video. Parents. But okay, so got the keyboard, laptop. Okay. Cable comes with a Velcro strip, so that's nice. If you want to cable manage, you can. 4 minutes is pretty good. Plug it in. It is Bluetooth actually, so I could Bluetooth if I want. Got the water cable, the cable to protect it. And it should be. Wait a second! I'm doing my keyboard video. Gosh, bro, parents. God, I can't do my video. Yeah. Yes, sir. Look at the RGB. This is nice RGB. I think you can change it like that. I don't know what to press to change it, but this is nice RGB. Look at that. I kind of don't like the sound of the switches. It's my brother's sound. Wait a second, y'all. Okay. Gosh, this is a nice keyboard. So I am going to switch out the keycaps now. So I know my cousins have been waiting on the other end for me to change the keycaps and see my keyboard. This is it. Well, my friend, everyone. Yeah. This is it. I'm gonna put my link in my TikTok actually. My TikTok. But, okay, keycaps right here. We throw these out. So, keycaps. Alright, so let's open these. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah. Boom. It has a dust cover on it. Okay. Why does it look? Oh, it's in 2 parts. That's why. Keycaps. And yeah, so let's change them. Let's get through the process of changing them. Okay. First keycap. Escape. Where's escape? There's escape in this. Escape right here. Okay. Escape right here. Oh, it don't feel bad. And it comes with one too. So this one's more round and this one's more like good. So I'll use this. Okay, escape comes off first. Oh. This guy I seen, he said it was hard to take off keycaps. I'm trying to figure out how it's hard. Keycaps. So, dang. Okay. I got the customized RGB. So, keycap on. No, it's tough. It's like, I don't know what I was about to say. Okay, number 1. Where's number 1 at? Right here on this side. This is kind of hard. So I'll be back when I'm done this row. Yeah, I'll finish this row. Actually, I can't. So, yeah. This is going to be a long video. So, guys, any moment. Okay, I wish I could pause it. Yeah, my editing. Oh! I suck at this. Alright, let's just get number 1 out. Dang. Not coming up. Okay. That's on. 2. If I can, I'll be back, guys. Actually, go follow my TikTok. The rest will be on there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna put the rest on there. I just said that. I don't know. My cousin was in here like, what the heck are you? What the heck? I just took off the same keycap that I just put on. I might gotta get him switches. Because I don't like the sound of those switches. Me and my brother might got switch. Okay. But let me unplug the RGB. Unplug the keyboard. I'll be back on game. I'm about to call my friends.